Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jabaz. If you're craving for chicken and wanna try a unique dish, here I bring a chicken meatball curry or chicken kofta curry recipe for you. Take 300 grams of minced chicken or keema chicken in a bowl. To this add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 small onion that's finely chopped, 2 green chilies that are finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves that are finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 egg, and half a cup of breadcrumbs. Mix them all gently until they are well combined. Do follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. You know, this is a one-pot curry that can be made only by using simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen. Traditionally, this recipe is made with minced mutton. Try this lip-smacking chicken kofta curry recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. I'm sure this will become your favorite recipe. Take few drops of oil in your palm and rub your palms like so. Take a lemon-sized portion of kofta mixture like so. And roll it between your palms into a round shape like so. Place it on a clean dry plate and repeat the same process for the rest of the chicken mince mixture. You can easily make 20 chicken balls. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Place 1 chicken ball at a time in the pan without overcrowding the pan like so. Cook these balls on a medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. As they cook, flip these balls like so when they turn golden at the bottom. You know, these well-seasoned minced chicken will be so juicy that when you take a bite into them, it will instantly melt in your mouth. Toss these chicken meatballs to cook evenly like so. Our chicken meatballs are ready and they are good to go. Transfer them to a plate. At this stage, you can serve these chicken meatballs as a snack. But I'll be making a curry with it today. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. To this add an inch-long cinnamon stick, 4 cloves or lavang, and 4 green cardamoms or elaichi. Saute in the hot oil for 30 seconds. Then add 2 onions that are grated. And again saute this on a medium flame until it turns pink and the oil separates from the onion. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And again saute for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame, or until the raw flavor from the ginger garlic paste fades. If you feel it's burning at the bottom, add 2 tablespoons of water and continue to saute. Now add 3 green chilies that are roughly chopped and 1/4 cup of tomato puree. Give it a gentle mix. Now add the required salt for the dish, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of toasted cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and give them all a good mix. Have the flame on low and then add 3 tablespoons of whipped curd and give it a good mix. You can also add cashew nut paste or fresh cream instead of curd if you want the dish to taste richer. Continue to cook this on a low flame until the oil leaches from this mixture. Then add 2 cups of water. Give this a gentle mix and continue to cook on a medium flame until the mixture begins to bubble away. Add the chicken meatballs one at a time gently into this gravy. Give a gentle mix and continue to cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. When you see the oil separating on top, our chicken kofta curry is ready to go. Finally, sprinkle some coriander leaves to finish off the dish. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. You know, chicken kofta curry recipe is usually made during the festival of Eid and enjoyed during the Ramadan feast. You can serve this hot with steamed rice or rotis or naan varieties. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll meet you with yet another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jabba signing off. Bye-bye.